Hey, what's up, you guys? It's JBeg Cards again, Jeff. We're gonna throw down another 2010 MMA Leaf. Hopefully, we can get a low-numbered card, or we can get a well-known fighter card, or one of those National Pride cards. That would be pretty cool. Excuse me, sorry. All right, let's go. All right. This does not have a sticker. She's holding on pretty tight. Dead box. Throw that aside. I guess we'll go with this one first. Or no, we'll go with this. Let's see what we get. Put that right there. And first pack, here we go. Antonio Rodrigo Nogueira, base. Anderson Silva, base. Lewis Kane, base. Heath Herring, base. Go this way. Gray Maynard, base. Mario Miranda, base. Ben Rothwell, base. And, wow, I haven't got him yet before. That's cool. Randy Couture. His name's not showing. Oh, well. Cool, though. Right out of the gate, Randy. Well-known fighter. Right out of the gate. Not bad. Okay, base. Rothwell again, base. Mario Miranda, base. Greg Jackson, base. Escudero, base. Sergio Gomez, base. Roxanne Modafer. I have no idea. Sorry. Here we go. Cristiano Marcelo. Gray Maynard. Mohammed something Kahaldov. Pee Wee Herman base. Lieben base on that top. Guy Metzger. Kozchek. Goldberg. And why is it black? That's weird. I've never seen one of these black. Keith Jardine, but yeah, usually they're blue. I wonder why that's black. It's not anything different. That's weird. Every one of those cards I've ever got, they're well, I opened or whatever, they're blue autographs, so that's weird. All right, here we go. Dan Miller, Cain Velasquez. Well, that'd be a cool one. Brian something Gunty or oh, sorry, just ran through him. Randleman. There's the hit. See, that's blue. Kevin Randleman. Hermes Franca, Jamie Varner, Matt Danzig, Lyoto Machida. Base. Still weirded out on that black card. I guess that's the only thing they had. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Joe Brammer, Antonio Rodrigo Nogueira, Chase Gormley, Ariane Celeste base, John Jones base, Rodrigo Dam, Gina Carano. Well, that'd be cool, and I haven't got her yet. And here's the hit. Ronnie's Torres, I guess. Haven't really heard of him too much. And this is a hard pack to open. Alright. Natasha Wicks base. Krzysztof Szozinski base. There's that Torres guy. Base again. Country base. Josh Thompson. Matsunori Kinahara. Here's the hit. Oh, I got another girl, Brittany Palmer. Oh, wait, another base in the back. Cool. Okay. Second to last pack, guys. Hopefully I can get a low numbered or something really cool for you. Alright, here we go. Takeo Hashi, Randy Couture base, Mike Swick base, Alessio Silva base, Fedor Emelianenko base. Ooh, that would be cool. Dos Santos base, Jeremy Stevens, and Ben Rothwell auto. Alright, last pack, man. Hopefully it's something cool. Alright. I don't know. Eddie Alvarez base, Leo Garcia base. Okay. Nick Thompson, Clay Guida, Jim Miller, Brock Lesnar. We'll go this way. Yoshida auto. And that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Take care like always, and I'm out.